Okay, now we have our theme installed and we want to install some plugins. So we'll go up here to My Site, Network, go to Plugins. We're going to want to install a RSS plugin. So RSS, I'm going to search. We got to click on Add New. Don't forget to click on Add New. Okay. Popular RSS. RSS aggregator. Looks like a good one. Go ahead and install it. And then network activate. We'll activate on all our pages. Okay, and then we want a YouTube plugin. Video. There I go again. Gotta go add new, add new. Click on add new. And then popular. And video. So you can have videos on your site. Manage embed host videos. JW Player. Let's see here. Here we go. Automatic YouTube video post plugin. Okay. Plugin automatically creates posts for YouTube videos from any YouTube account. So network at that one. Automatic YouTube video post plugin. And we network activate it. And it's in. Okay. Now you can go back over here to the site and go to my blog dashboard and cut this video off here, and we'll go in here how you can customize that real quick. Let's move on.